that there's a shipping line here that we're not meant to be in it. We're moving at a serious pace. That's a hectic one. Holy fuck! Me, why are you driving in circles? That won't do it with us. There's the fucking ferry. Yeah, them waves are massive. Dude, that's airtime. Oh, mate, that's a bad one, that's a bad one.
Hello, we're out the boat here, and is it sitting out too far with the current? Can't get back in.